Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Trinidad and Tobago earlier on Friday morning on the second leg of his five-nation tour. Now, Prime Minister Modi was received by his counterpart Kamla Prasad Baisasar at Piako International Airport, wherein he was accorded a ceremonial welcome and a guard of honor. Visuals on your screen showing you the guard of honor and the ceremonial welcome. Now, this is the first bilateral prime ministerial level visit from India to Trinidad and Tobago since the year 1999. Now, of course, as he always does, Prime Minister Modi addressed the Indian community, and addressing them, he called Indian diaspora as Rashtradoot and said the community is the ambassador of values and culture, stating that their journey in Trinidad and Tobago has been about courage. Now, remembering the holy water and the Sheela sent for Ayodhya, Modi also said that he was sure that the Indian community welcomed the return of Ram Lala to Ayodhya after 500 years with great joy.
I know of your deep faith in Prabhu Shri Ram. एक 180 साल बीतल हो, मन न भूलल हो, भजन राम के हर दिल में गुंजल हो. The Ram Leelas in Sandi Grandi and Dow village are said to be the truly unique. Ramcharitmanas says, Ram Dhamda Puri Suhavani, Lok Samast Vidit Ati Pavan. It means the holy city of Prabhu Sri Ram is so beautiful that its glory is spread across the world. I'm sure you all welcome the return of Ram Lala to Ayodhya after 500 years with great joy.
Indian Prime Minister also reiterated that earlier this year, the world's largest spiritual gathering, the Mahakumbh, took place, and he has the honor to carry the holy water of the Mahakumbh with him. He requested his counterpart to offer the holy waters of Sangam and Saryu River to the Ganga Dhara there.
You all know that earlier this year, the world's largest spiritual gathering, the Mahakumbh, took place. I have the honor to carry water from the Mahakumbh also with me. I request Kamlaji to offer the holy waters of the Saryu River and Mahakumbh to the Ganga Dhara here. May this holy water bless the people of Trinidad and Tobago. Friends, we deeply value the strength and support of our diaspora.
Now, the Prime Minister will also be holding talks with the Prime Minister and President of the country later. The talks are expected to focus on further strengthening cooperation in different areas, including trade, energy, technology, and also cultural exchange. Then he is later scheduled to address a joint session of the Parliament of Trinidad and Tobago, highlighting the significance of the relationship between the two countries. Now, Prime Minister Modi's third leg of tour will also take him to Argentina. This is from July 4th to July 5th, and it will be followed by Brazil for the 17th BRICS Summit and a state visit. The final leg of the tour will then take him to Namibia.